Okay guys, my laptop screen got broken, so I had to get a new LCD for my laptop. The first thing I had to do was to get the serial number to be able to know the right number of screen LCD I need to get. So you can see I'd already opened the laptop. This is an MSI GE 62 laptop. So I already have the back removed. So to remove this is not very difficult. You just have to open this. There are no screws involved. So you just open it at the various ends and you get the front protector out. Yeah, there is a double-sided tape at the base. You have to be very careful with that when you're trying to remove your laptop, when you're trying to detach the LCD screen, because if you want to reuse the double-sided tape, you need to be very careful with that, because that's what I did. I removed it gently in order to be able to receive it, in order to be able to reuse it. There are 4 screws that you need to get off in order to detach your LCD. The 4 screws are right here at the top, 2 at the top and 2 at the base. You need to be careful with the screws so they don't get missing as you're working with it. And also there is a flex cable at the back here. Hope you can see that there's a flex cable. So in order to detach it, you need to detach the flex from the cable. So you need to be very careful with that, because if this gets spoiled, that's a bigger issue for you. And also when you're detaching your LCD, you need to be careful of the camera. The camera is at the top here. You need to be very careful of it. So yeah, I ordered a new set of LCD from laptopscreen.com. I'm based in Vancouver, Canada. So for my laptop, the serial number is right here, LP15WF6SPB1. So you go online, you search for this same serial number, then you order the same exact serial number of of LCD. So it arrived just this afternoon. I ordered it 2 days ago. So this is my new LCD screen that I just ordered. So I got it for $77 because I'm based in Vancouver, Canada. So I also have to pay like almost $20 shipping. So all in all, it was 90 something dollars. So it's very easy to replace, as I'm going to show you right here. So the first thing you need to do is to connect the flex to actually be sure this is working. So that is what I'm going to do right here. You need to do it very gently. Good. So I'm gonna try switch on my laptop to see if the screen works fine. Yeah, so the screen is good. So the next thing I have to do is just screw it back, which is just what I have to do now. And that is what I'm doing currently. So getting the screws back in. You need to be very careful with your LCD, because mine got broken just because I was touching the tip of it, which is quite funny. I wasn't applying any much pressure. I was just holding it and it cracked. So I've learned to be very careful with doing this, so I don't keep wasting $100 all the time. So I'm using a very short screwdriver, so I'm having a hard time screwing this back in, but just gently. Good. And the final one. Good. When that is done, I just try to remove the protector on the face of my screen. Which I've been able to successfully remove. And the last thing I'm going to do is get my double-sided tape, which I had kept in order to be able to reuse. Okay, just trying to be sure where this stays in. Perfect. Oh, there's a little hiccup here. Good. And that's it. That's it. My laptop is back and it's up and running. Just trying to be sure every part is well knotted in. And that's it. So that's how to refix your laptop LCD by yourself. I actually went to meet a guy that claimed that he's gonna change it for me. That I have to buy the screen for over $130, and I also have to pay in $35 in order to change it. So I was able to save a lot of money by doing it myself. Thank you.